but I needed a break from the whole bot thing for a minute. So with that, I wanted to introduce the project that recently killed my SSD and lost itself to that corruption. This is a JARVIS Mark 1.5. Mark 1 is what killed my SSD. Hopefully this doesn't ever do that again. But basically, I have Cortana down here. Cortana is a piece of crap that doesn't work good, so I decided to make my own. And the temporary name is JARVIS because every typical new AI is called JARVIS. Plus, I'm horrible at making up names. So if you guys have name suggestions for this desktop assistant thing, let me know in the comments and I will pick my favorite, I guess. Because I suck at making names and I'm not making a name for it unless someone gives me one. But I will be doing videos on me working on this, kind of like a dev vlog if you've ever watched Devin Crawford or a few other people. Kind of like those, except more spread out and not as good, because I'm not as good at as them. But yeah, this is Mark 1.5 because Mark 1 literally killed itself. It's not much right now. I just finished setting up my email command thing again, as you guys will be seeing in the time lapse, either following or before this clip. But there is not much yet. Eventually I want it to be able to run my Spotify, Google search things for me. If I can get my token back, I will get it set back up in like a self-bot, so if I wanted to message someone on Discord, I can have it do that. But as of right now, Discord has completely banned self-bots by making it where you can't even get your token anymore. So, that may or may not happen. And eventually I want to add a more smart AI into it. Right now it's got a basic, like, typical AI ML files brain in it, and it's not the smartest thing in the world. Eventually I want to get it into actual AI and actually like machine learning and trying to make itself smarter, just because that's something that I am kind of interested in. It seems like a very interesting task to do. So along with the Discord bot tutorial, we'll also be uploading projects like JARVIS here. I have a few other projects in mind, but for now JARVIS is probably my main focus outside of the bot. If you guys have any suggestions for other videos you want to see, or if you have suggestions for what you want to see in the bot tutorial, leave them in the comments or join the Discord, and there are video suggestions in the Discord. So with that, I will see you guys next time, and the next video will be another tutorial, and it should be out fairly soon. As you should know by now, my upload schedule isn't the best, but I'm trying. And thanks to my new editor right here for editing this video and the videos after this video. So hopefully my SSD doesn't get corrupt anymore for rendering videos. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And